This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default font style in Thunderbird. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Thunderbird here. I have Thunderbird opened up now. To change your default font style in Thunderbird, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, I am on the General tab, and on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the font section, and in the font section right here, default font. As you can see, mine is set to this, yours is probably set to the same thing. You can click this drop down, and you can choose between a pretty good variety of different font styles. I'm going to choose this one right here. That is how you change your default font style in Thunderbird. Thanks for watching.